In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix MSVCP 140 underscore 1 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser, any browser on your Windows. Search for the missing DLL and just put download. Okay. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load, then right click on the folder, select extract all, click on extract. Then copy the DLL file, right click select copy, and go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click, locate the System32 folder, here it is, double click, right click and then select paste and click on replace the file in the destination. After doing so, close the remaining windows, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Step 2, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Next method, click on the Start button and go to Settings. Also consider to update your Windows. Click on Windows Update on the left pane and simply click this button from here. Okay, so that will update your Windows, download and install the latest updates. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.